What are you doing in here? What's in that drawer?
I'm trying to do something here.
You get into my candy.
I'm just doing something here.
You just find something to eat?
Yep.
That's my candy drawer. Huh?
Hey, I don't eat.
You dropped it, pick it up.
Oh.
You don't like those?
Yeah, I don't like these. Hey.
Hey.
Hey, these, I like these too.
You're eating all my candy up.
I'm going to eat all the candy.
You're going to eat all the candy.
Yeah.
What about me?
Like Daddy.
Yeah, well, if you're going to eat all my candy, I ain't going to have none left. Huh?
But here's one. I eat. These are not hard, right?
They're not hard?
I chew them with my sharp teeth.
You chew them with your sharp teeth. Show me how sharp your teeth are. Show me.
Sharp teeth.
They're sharp? That's how you get the candy?
Yeah. And that's how I chew it.
With your sharp teeth?
Yeah.
If you eat too much candy, you won't have no teeth left.
No more teeth left?
Nope.
I know. My first teeth will fall next time.
Your first teeth are going to fall out?
My first one.
Your first one's going to fall out soon?
Yeah.
What happens when all your teeth fall out, though? How are you going to eat?
How am I going to eat? Well, I'll buy new teeth.
You're going to buy new teeth? You can't just buy teeth.
Yes, you do.
No, you don't. That's why you got to brush them. If you don't brush them, they'll all fall out.
Yeah, and here's the one.
And then what?
Have a good one and here's one.
But you can't buy new teeth. No, you can't.
Well, Daddy says to buy new teeth.
Who said?
Buy new teeth.
You can't buy no new teeth.
Buy new teeth, then get new teeth to clean.
You buy some new ones while you clean the old ones? I think you're crazy. You can't buy teeth. Still.
That is business.